Hello and welcome back to this next tutorial on using Google Classroom. This time around we're going to be looking at the homework, the very specific weekly homework that is set by class teachers. The material up here that you might have seen will be used for things that might have been extra that the kids might have been enjoying in classroom, or might be mini projects that will be set for children to engage with and access at home. But weekly there will be homework tasks set via Google Forms. So let's take a look. By clicking the individual task here, I can view assignment in the same way we did with the previous ones, but there are some slight differences here. Here you'll notice that there's no specific work attached at the top right-hand corner. We can add our own or create our own if we wanted to, but that isn't specifically needed for homework. As I said, we use Google Forms to complete that. So by clicking on this example homework, the demo homework here, I'll be transferred to a Google Form page. Now I can see here who it is that's completing the homework. It tells me it should appear with your child's email address, and they'll have the option to click in to put their answers and responses into the different spaces. Now this is a very simple one and very basic one, obviously, just for the purposes of the demo, but just wanted to show you also how the homework is marked and scored. So if I pop those in there, obviously 1 + 1, 2, 2 + 2 is not 3, but let's have a look what happens. Once I've submitted that, I can then view my score, and it will give me instant feedback as to what I got right or what I got wrong. And we can see here that it's ticked this one off because that was the correct input, and it's telling me here what was the correct answer for the one that I got wrong. You'll also notice in the top right-hand corner that there are points allocated. Now, sometimes teachers will allocate points and it will add them all up for you, and you would get a points total at the top, and sometimes there aren't points totals at the top. But you can see the instant feedback that I've got for getting that one correct and this one wrong. So if that does display a 0 as a 0, don't worry about that, because you can see that I've got 1 out of 2 here, or hopefully most people would have got 2 out of 2. And that's a way that you can get instant feedback from the homework. Once that is done, again, your class teacher will notice that your classwork has been done. And if I go back to that space there, we can see again that it's been handed in, and your teacher will get a notification to say that you have completed your homework. Thanks again for watching this video, and check out any of the other ones if you need any more support, or drop me an email and I'll endeavour to help you with your Google Classroom needs. Bye for now.